Downshift. Been screaming, y'all. Got a whole bunch of growing to do, man. I started this channel from scratch. Alright, that hoe recording. YouTube, what's the damn deal, man? Right now, I'm in Beaumont. I'm getting my car out. I'm headed there right now. But one thing I got to tell y'all, bro, if y'all want to get y'all car out, just know that shit take days. Like, bro, having my car for 3 days. So I had to stay in the hotel for goddamn 3 days, bro. Game, man. Yeah, bro, I know it's dark right now. I know y'all can barely see this shit. I'm finna hop in the whip. I really just came on here to say a few things. Like, if y'all boys tuned in right now, just stay tuned, bro. We got a whole bunch of growing to do. If you ain't hit that bell yet, hit that bell for me, man. We got a whole bunch of growing to do. We finna go up. Let me know what miles y'all do to y'all car. If y'all have one, or if y'all do got one, or what I ain't did yet. Just let me know, bro. Get y'all a little nighttime POV, man. Got a whole bunch of growing to do, man. I started this channel from scratch. I'm doing this for y'all. Like, I'm trying to show everybody my age, like, bro, you can do whatever you want. I don't know if y'all can see that dude with his dog. Downshift. Been screaming, y'all. Oh, y'all fuck with this jacket. This how it is. Alright, look, if y'all don't know how to downshift, let me show y'all how to downshift. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna raise the RPMs up to 4. Then when you get to 4, hit it. Alright. Now when you get to 3, hit it again, look. Now this time I hit it at 3, so now I'm hit it at 2. Alright, look, I'm in second gear. So now I'm gonna hit it at 2. I'm gonna switch to gear 1. And as it's downshifting, hit the gas. That's how you make it look. I'm in gear 2 right now. So now, I'm gonna wait. I can't downshift because I'm in gear 2. But yeah, that's basically how you downshift, man. Like, whatever gear you in, once you see the RPM get there, hit it. So now I'm in gear 1, if y'all can't see. I'm finna hit it. Downshift. My God. What's the deal with y'all, gang? I got it on the engine power, so we can see how much horsepower I use with my stuff on this motherfucker. Got on my nigga Ghost Light, man. Everything Ghost Light from head to toe. We go shirt, Ghost Light. We go jacket, Ghost Light. We go pants, Ghost Light. Nice ass downshift. Oh shit, this hoe got sideways a little bit. I drove through some water. One, two, three. Alright, now I'm finna roll up the window because the wind is starting to pick up. I don't know if y'all. When it get to 3, I'm finna downshift. How that sound, y'all? Yeah, man, this road a little bumpy, y'all. Road. Trying to make the hell pop. I'm barely stepping on the pedal, look. I don't know if y'all can see it. That how recording? Hey man, say man, we in this hole, man. We finna get a nighttime VOV. We got Sam in the back, man. We just riding and cruising, man. We gotta put Sam on the vlog. Y'all say what's up.
She said no.
Y'all say what's up to Sam. Everybody spam Sam in the comments.
Need to let me be the cameraman. I'll be it for free.
Ooh! Sarcasm!
We got the whip. That's what we doing right here. Black top. That's how y'all did the diffuser. Black hood. Good with y'all boys, man. We going fit check real quick. We got motherfucking this Godspeed, I think, or Mixed Emotions. Don't give me the line, cause I really don't know. And we go black top, we got red shoes on the wheel. Blacked out top. We got bag in the clip, man.
Hey, know what's going on, man?
We on vlog with it, bag.
Definitely.
Yeah, man, we got the black top, man. Yeah, I'm just finna throw this little bag up, and I'm finna get y'all a cold start, so just stay tuned. man, we got my boy K-Walk in the cut, man. It's good, man. We're at the first location, man. Y'all boys just stay tuned. We got downtown in the back. Shit.
Niggas that claim my
Say what's up to him.
we gonna be like, you get that free will.
Trading them for the wide body,
on, man. You know
man.
how we
With the
doing.
starlights in that bitch. Hey, turn the YouTube up.
Turn the YouTube on.
I was smoking. YouTube. This him right here, y'all. This how we gonna end the video off, twins. Man, if y'all boys fuck with this video, bro, like, comment on this bitch, man. Hit that subscribe button for a young nigga. Next video we going starlights. I know this video was boring as hell. I was really just trying to show y'all niggas the route, bro. But next video we gonna pop out to a car meet. We gonna tint the windshield. We gonna tint the tail lights, and we going stars in the roof, bro. Good fit check, man. I know it might be windy out here, so bear with me if the wind fucking with y'all, man. Just know, bro, we grinding, bro. This all year, bro. If you a young nigga, bro, 23 and under, bro, and you grinding, bro, just keep doing that shit, bro. By the time a few years go by, we're gonna be what we trying to be. And that's all that matter, bro. When y'all watch Fast Lane Vote, all I'm trying to do is motivate y'all and show y'all the ways of what I did to get this motherfucker. But yeah, man, we went black hood, we went candy red, we got the wide body wheels. We got the little Jeremy playing. It's going down. It's going down. Last but not least though, hold up. It's going down, for sure. It's going down, man. Y'all boys show some love to it while you're in, bro. YouTube. This it for today's vlog, man. Show a young nigga some love, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share this motherfucker. Watch my old videos. We only going up, bro. Be a part of this journey with me, bro. I can't wait to show y'all what we got playing next, bro. We got the black hood in the cut. We got everything in the cut. Got the black top. Y'all boys just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna catch y'all boys on the next one. We out.